In other news, Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn says the recent sentencing of Tesha Miller and the gang members implicated in the Lauriston beheadings is sending a strong signal to criminals. The police say the cases also show that gang members are now willing to testify against their cronies. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
38 years and 9 months, the sentence handed down on Tesha Miller in the Home Circuit Court on Thursday. The Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, has commended her team and insists justice has been served. However, the defense attorney Bert Samuel sees things differently and is confident the sentence will be overturned when it goes to the Court of Appeal.
We've been here before in 2013 when he was convicted and the Commissioner of Police saluted and celebrated, and then he was acquitted. We expect the same result for this offense.
The issue was put to the DPP on RJR 94 FM hotline with Emily Shields on Friday.
As far as we are concerned, the indictment was well laid, and from what I saw, the particular judge, who is renowned as an extremely competent judicial officer, dotted every I and crossed every T.
On to another issue, the sentencing time and its fairness.
There are stated guidelines, and there are cases which I brought to the court's attention where persons were charged and convicted for 3 counts of murder, 3 people dead, 4 people dead, and they didn't get that level of sentence.
The DPP, however, pointed to the reasons cited by the judge in balancing the aggravating and mitigating factors.
The learned trial judge pointed to the gravity of the aggravating factors. One, that this was the master puppeteer of a criminal organization where he, in that capacity, counseled, ordered, commanded not only the death of Mr. Chambers, but the methodology that was employed.
She added that the key prosecution witness who was present at the meeting when Miller gave the order for Chambers to be killed told the court that he gave gang members guns as part of the diversion tactics which was used to scare persons away from the scene and to allow the shooter to escape. Tesha Miller's conviction is no doubt being touted as success by members of the JCF and the office of the DPP. It's also one of the longest sentences in recent times.
Remember, in the beheading case that I did with the mother and daughter who were beheaded by a group of guys who were part of a gang too, they got 44 years and they pleaded guilty. So perhaps the judiciary is sending a message.
Which would be what?
Well, that these sort of cases are going to be dealt with very, very, very severely in respect of sentence.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.